Hello, my name is Andy and I am the Village Idiot. I'm armed with a car and a GoPro and an unhealthy amount of time on my hands. Just before we get into it today, I'd like to remind you, if you're not subscribed, to please press that subscribe button down there. The more subscribers I get, the more villages and parishes I can film for your viewing pleasure. So today, I'm back in Doncaster. We are again to the south of Doncaster. This village is very small, but it has something rather large in it, which we will see right at the very end. This is Loversall. is just about going to do it for Loversall. That's as close as I can get to the Amazon warehouse, distribution centre, whatever you want to call it. The main access is through Rossington, which we haven't done yet. We will do at some point, but it lies within Loversall, and the only way to access it from Loversall is along this road, which is, it looks okay here, but the track I've had to drive down to get to this point, very, very bumpy and not maintained. So yeah, I've now got to drive back down that track to get out. I've definitely put idiot in village today. Even so, I hope you've enjoyed this one. Please do subscribe to the channel if you want to see more, and you want to see more of me doing stupid things like this. But for now, this has been Loversall. I've been the village idiot, and I'm out.